How are we? Very good days. Cathie Wood has done it again. He is selling Tesla stock, which has currently already fallen from almost $300 to $240 per share. Having fallen 60% last year, we will be back to $100 per share prices in Tesla. And what is the company in Europe that Cathie Wood is buying for the first time in its history? In this video we are going to analyze what the famous investor and CEO of ARC Innovation Cathie Wood wants to tell us. So stay until the end because what we will see will interest you a lot. Billy Bam Bam. Pilly Bam Bam. Let us begin. Captive disembarks in Europe with the purchase of RISE ETF. Markinvest is betting heavily on its expansion outside the United States with the purchase of RISE ETF, one of the leading providers of thematic exchange-traded funds based in London. This firm has specialized products in circular economy, cybersecurity, digital education, emerging markets and e-commerce and sustainability, among others. Which matches well with the offer of the firm founded by Cathie Wood, who became one of the guru managers 4 years ago with her ARC Disruptive Innovation ETF fund, achieving a return of almost 150%. In a press release, Cathie Wood considers that the European ETF market presents an opportunity for strong growth thanks to the interest of younger investors who access through digital platforms, while active management of exchange-traded funds gains market share. Market with innovative solutions. In this case we are at riseetf.com and here it already tells us explore ARC and Neon Best. In this case we will see you here RISE ETF joint force with ARK Invest. The news is already here. On Tuesday, September 19, Invest LLC announced the acquisition of RISE ETF. In this case, for example, we have the acquisition here that we can review detail by detail. So with this, ARC Invest is officially investing in the European market. If we come here, this is the first thematic issuer specialized in ETFs in Europe. We believe there's a better way to invest in the future. Our ETFs give investors unprecedented access to the megatrends that are transforming our world in an accessible way. Here we have precisely the global impact. We have RISE circular economy enablers, etc. Everything you need to know you can come and investigate directly at riseetf.com. Directly for how to buy. We can come here. Our ETFs are available on all broker investor platforms listed below. To find our ETFs on your platform, click on the corresponding link below and simply search for the ETF name or ISIN code directly. We are going to go to the investment platforms quickly and precisely broker platforms. For example, we have Fidelity. We also have Free Trade Interactive Investors. We have Barclays, very important. We are among the main ones. Let's see. Here we are Bank of Scotland. We have DEGIRO, of course very important in Europe. And we also have NV here. Nordnet and we have Weber Bank as the main ones at the moment that we could use to invest here. On the other hand, Cathie Wood sold Tesla shares again. The investor tells us that she boasts of selling securities of Elon Musk's company to take profits when the papers make sudden jumps or when she believes she has already obtained a good performance. It does not mean he gets rid of his entire portfolio, but he likes to sell at a profit. Cathie Wood is known for always selling Tesla stock because when the stock jumps high enough it makes a sudden profit. He likes to capitalize on this gain and then have cash for possible declines in Tesla and buy more. So you're basically using trading to be able to make partial profits on Tesla and obviously sell when it's high. Buy when it's cheap. This can be very risky, but Gatewood is doing it. Cathie's company disposed of more than 50,000 securities of Elon Musk's company. Last Wednesday, sales were made through the ARC Innovation ETF and amounted to almost $14 million. It is Wood's first liquidation at Tesla since August 15, when he sold just 1,800 shares. This makes it a pretty interesting sale and currently we are going to check how is ARC Innovation, how is Tesla. Of course, how is the electric car sector and how is the European ETF. Go for it, please, but not before asking you that if you like the video content, subscribe because we cover stock market topics, stocks, ETFs every day so that you stay with the best investment opportunities in the market. Perfect. We are here in the Europe ETF with the acronym IEB and shares of Europe ETF that in the last 5 years has generated simply 6%. They pay you a dividend of almost 3%. In the last 10 years it has remained stable with an 8% annual profit of 1% plus the dividend of 4%. Here you would be investing in companies like Nestlé, ASML, Shell, Novartis. We also have AstraZeneca, Louis Vuitton, etc. The main companies in Europe. But as you can see, it is a fairly stable ETF that would benefit you simply from the dividend. We have ARK Innovation, which is an ETF also with the acronym ARK that is currently trading at $38.82. Buy. That you invest in speculative stocks or disruptive technology stocks. Among the main ones I can mention Tesla with 11%, Roku in 8, or videos in 8, Coinbase, UiPath. In block we have Twilio, we have Unity, Exacta, Science Corp, among others. In 5 years it has fallen 17–18% in fact, and in the last 10 years you would have generated approximately less than 100% profit, almost 10% per year, because 10 years ago it was trading at $20 per share and today we are almost 40. So less than 100% gain in the last 10 years, which would give you 8–9% annualized. Remember, this type of TFC is quite volatile. As you can tell, it went from $40 per share to about $160 in March 2020 to February 2021. Less than a year. Over $30 to $40 to about 250% profit in this period. Tesla, for its part, in electric cars has fallen 4% in the last day with the acronym Tesla is currently trading at $245 per share due to the rise of artificial intelligence in the last year. It has risen 126% in 2023 and as you can see, in the last 5 years you would have generated more than 250% annualized and in the last 10 years, you would have generated 190% annualized or 1,900. In this case, Tesla electric cars have had a fairly strong correction from $400 we reached $113, a loss of more than 65% currently from its all-time high of $400. We are with a loss of approximately 40%. Despite the rise from $100 per share, we are still at an interesting price. You could do a very, very good re-entry at $244, an entry and a re-entry directly at $180 and the last one would be at $110. The outlook is already very dark, because for it to reach $100 per share it would have to fall more than 50% from the price it is at right now. But now, of course, I want to know what you think. Would you be interested in investing in the Europe ETF to have something quite stable? Will you be interested in investing in Tesla? Are you interested in investing in ARK Innovation? Which of the three are you most interested in or which one do you already have in your portfolio? Leave me your comments so I can review and of course, share this enthusiasm we have for the stock market. Leave me your opinion in comments. And of course, if you want to learn how to invest in any of these 3 companies in ETFs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, Luis Inversion and Finanzas.com. Directly, here you have a trailer, a short 2-minute video where I explain everything you need to know about the stock market. We have some testimonies here and we have the complete agenda. Here you will see what you will learn. Each lesson is approximately 20 to 30 minutes. You will learn from stock market vocabulary how to choose a broker, technical fundamental analysis, how to choose stocks, how to use the dividend to use compound interest to your advantage. You have 7 days of guarantee and you click directly here. I want to join the premium stock market course. If you still have money problems, we have the personal finance course Creating Wealth in 5 years. More than 20 lessons among which you have how to get out of debt, how to face an economic crisis, how to make money online, how to use retirement to your advantage. Even though you are young or approaching retirement, you find all this there, between the two of you. There are more than 50 lessons and in each course you have a special discount with the code LUIS106S10. Simply when it asks for a code, you enter the LUIS10 code directly. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, you also have a button to send me a personal WhatsApp or a message, name, email and your question. Yes, thank you very much for your attention. Have a great day and a great start to the week. Here I leave you the link to my website. Here I leave you a playlist so you can learn a little more about the current crises and here subscribe to the channel. We are live from Monday to Saturday 9:30 at the opening of the stock market. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye.